Guys, I came on the road. Vehicle. Let me show you guys. Jesus. Got a light something there. Okay. So it's on red. I should be able to go. I should be able to go, guys. I should be able to go. I should be able to walk. I should be able to go. Go, 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 go. Guys, I'm on the road. I'm on the road. Woo, that was close. That was close. Beautiful plants. Beautiful plants. That was close, guys. Mm, that was close. So I'm walking back. I'm walking back. I'm walking back. That was close. Oh, my heart racing. I'm gonna cross big road, guys. Big, big street. And my heart a race. Whew. But that was okay. That was close. That was closey, closey. So I'm walking back. You see, I get one little sandwich. I buy one little sandwich. So yeah, didn't bring any lunch, so I had to get something. So I went go and cross big road and get lunch. Yes, I go cross big road. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Whew. It's cool and nice to walk. It's overcast, as you can see from the background. Jesus, forget some need an umbrella, you know. My umbrella is almost non-existent. I'm in a big fire. Beautiful, cool, nice day. So there's another fear that I just overcome, guys. Motivational. I overcome the fear of crossing the main road. Yeah. And then when I did, my heart was racing because enough vehicle and enough how much direction is a four-way vehicle stoplight. So even more than four-way, because there are filters too. There are filters with the four ways. So it's like six different ways car coming at you. Like, and I overcame that today. Yay! I achieved something today. Go away. Go away. I don't know what that is. Some fly something. Yeah. And it feels good. That feels good. And I'm coming back. I went to a different route today. And it feels so good. Yeah. Yeah. The weather is like iffy, iffy. Sometimes the sun is out, and next time it's dark and it's really cool. Right now it's hot because the sun is out bright, bright, bright. So yes, guys, I did a different walk today, and I overcome one fear that I had. So little by little, I'm gonna overcome the fears and just do them. Just do it. Just do it. According to Nike, just do it. You can do it. All right. Yeah. Step down. So I'm headed back to the office early because I did an early run. It's an early run. It's an early run. And it feels good. I feel accomplished doing that. Hi, Shireen. Shireen, me just got big road to watch over the life. Me got big road, my dear. Go across big main street. We don't know. Yeah, and it feels good. Feels great. How are you? How was your weekend? Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you had a great weekend. Yeah. So I am back. When I sit down under that tree there, and my feet say some things that drop out on me when I sit down under it. But it's nice and green. We can sit down a little bit cause we have a little more time. But it just look like something that drop out on me. Look on it, guys. Look how it's big. It's big, you know? We just feel said squirrel them up there or something, and then we drop out. No, sit down. How would that know? Yes, it was getting a lot of rain. Oh, really? Yeah. I heard. Yeah, Jamaica. I heard about Portland and Mandeville. Lots of rain. We get rain yesterday too. It was like a small thunderstorm. What at the on the seat? I'm afraid. Like one small thunderstorm. Ooh, it was heavily downpour, and then the wind, and then it stops, and then you have like drizzles up into the evening. Yeah, you're one train there. Jesus, I missed the train. Yeah, one train I pass. Gosh, guys, I'm going to different place today, and it's a fear I overcome. So I'm happy I did well. Hear the train? I'm gonna hear it. That sound like a huge train. You know? Alright, let me go around here so I go see if I can pick it up. Should be able to pick it up. It sounds like a long one. I'm gonna pick it up for now. If it's not gone. But it sounds like it. It's huge. Hold on. I normally could have picked it up from the river here, so coming really down there. I am a little distance away. But hold on, let me see if I can blow it up around here. So Jesus. Like a walla. What food are coming on the train? The wait long. And not done. Wait there. See there? But the guys, hold on, let me show you. You see it? And I see Shireen right there. Where the river there? See train there? Of course me, I see it. See there? I don't know, see it, see there? See the blue something them there on it? Sound like it will have food and shoes and clothes are coming in. So that we can send. See it? See Shireen? I'll know it. I'll know. Let me blow it up some more. See it? See it? You see it now? Yeah. It was there, but because it blew and it did a little further, but see that? Look from when. So long it is. Wow. It's a lot of cargo on it. Yeah. It's a whole heap of food that come in. Jesus. Him look like him gone way down there. The man where did up there so walk. I saw my blue, I mean. Jesus. But they are walking on the video, so. Summer stuff, yeah. See there? It's still a go. Anytime one cargo like that come in, it must stop. It's long. Watch it. Still going. Ooh, the train is coming down. Jesus. Look, a train. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Ooh, just finished. You see it? It just finished, Shireen. It just finished. The summer train. Just finished. So yes, me only got, well, we can't eat my sandwich on my desk. Only 10 minutes to eat it. Yeah. So person who are just coming in, remember to like the live, share it, like up the live, guys, and share it. Click the like button. Yeah. So Shireen, I'm gonna head on to my desk to go and try eat up my sandwich before the time expires, and then yeah. So I'll see you guys at another time. Another time. Take care. Thank you, Shireen. Same to you. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you are having an anniversary, what is going on? Watch him. He gone. He just come right this, you know. Happy anniversary. If you're in any form, shape or form, having any bereavement, anything like that, I'm praying for you. My condolences. Okay? So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Whoosh! I'm out of here.